Hi guys, this is kind of the part 2 of the series where I'm upgrading my car's HiFi system, sound system. My car is Opel Astra J 2011. It came with this Navi 900 system, so it's not totally the basic. I ordered a new radio, this kind of a touchscreen model which is made for Astra J and some other GM models. I ordered this from Swiss online shop. I could get this radio maybe or similar model a little bit cheaper from some other part of the world, but I wanted to have kind of an extra secure if this doesn't work with my car. So it's for me much easier to just send it back to them and get my money back. This video is going to be a short one. I'm basically doing unboxing and taking a closer look what's inside the box and preparing this radio for install. And if you want to know how to remove this original Opel radio, check out the part 1 of the series. Link is down in the description. Okay, obviously we have here this frame, and it comes with all these buttons already, and behind is all these places for the connectors. That's the screen model. I will keep this plastic on that I'm not going to scratch it. Over here I can't see any brand name who made this thing. I don't care much about that if this works. This radio came also with a rear view camera, and I think I'm going to also install this one a little bit later. Hands-free microphone, speaker for these beeping sounds, antenna cable, Opel Vacra connector to the old-fashioned connector. This is actually a good adapter. There is in the middle console USB plug. I think this is for that. GPS antenna. And that's the main harness. It's with the CAN box, which will hopefully take care of steering wheel controls and stuff like that. 2 extra USB cables. These are line outputs, and here's also aux input. Also front camera input, subwoofer output, aux video in. Amplifier, of course, remote. More connectors for original cables. That's a camera input, so that's for the rear camera. That's pretty much it. Now I will attach the screen to this panel. This came with 2 sets of screws. Other ones are a little bit shorter and other ones are a little bit longer. There's nothing anywhere in the manuals which one I should use. Should I use longer screws or shorter screws? I think I'm going to use these longer ones. And here is also microphone and RST, I don't know, I think it's some kind of light. I don't have this option in my car, this electric trunk open. In the package was a clean button, and I will just change this here. Actually funny, doesn't even look the same. There's a small difference One tab is in different place. That's nice. DIY. Is it any better? Yeah, now it fits. Good.